Oh,
There's an
watch out.
incident ahead. Stay on the left.
So there's a big chance that someone crash into each other's...
There's an incident
Yeah,
ahead.
exactly. I predicted it.
Clear on the left.
Stupid. Can look forward. What a... Mate, what the hell is he doing? Yes guys, welcome to a brand new iRacing video, and today we're gonna try to get some more iRating, and this video is the first video with good audio.
What took you so long?
I know guys, it took me a while to like 8 videos.
I think he's letting us go.
But finally the audio is good, so sorry for all the bad audio quality. And now it's finally fixed. Finally, took us a while. But in the last episode we went racing on Oschersleben, and as you can see, well, someone's crashing here, we're currently at the Summit Point Raceway, and we're in another week trying to gain some iRating, and I actually gained a lot of iRating for my perspective. I went from 1400 to 1600, so I'm really happy with that. But the problem is that this circuit doesn't really suit me well. I'm not really rapid here. And of course we're the higher field, strength of field, sorry. So let's see what we can do. My goal for the series is to reach 2000 iRating in the Mazda MX-5 Cup, and after that we're making a step towards the GT3 car, so we can grow in our safety rating, because you teach me if you drive in different classes, you improve your your class, like it's not called a safety rating, but you know what I mean, like then you can do more races and stuff. So let's hop into the qualifying, let's see how we can do. And thank you for the great support in the last video, by the way, because I loved it. And yeah, let's see how we can do here on the Summit Point Raceway. What?
Pick up that corner and got a slow down penalty.
Oh wow, this guys, it was my own mistake. I still finished this lap though, but there were cool tires and it was too aggressive on entry.
Here comes your first time lap.
And now of course I spun out, I went on the grass, so let's focus, because we can still need to get good laps in. Oh, now I'm just frustrated and not focused. Oh. Okay, let's cut really quickly to the second qualifying lap, because this is just terrible. Okay guys, I took it quite cautious there,
lap,
because I didn't want to ruin the last qualifying lap. But let's see what we can do here. Losing a lot of time straight already, it's not good. I just can't get that last corner right. I don't know how to fix that. But let's see what position we get. Oh no, not even in the top 7. This is gonna hurt, guys. This is definitely gonna hurt. But it was a really bad lap. I don't know. It was a shame that the first qualifying lap was already ruined, and the second, I just can't really get it right on this track. So that's unfortunate. Yeah, let's just see what we can do in the race. Okay guys, we are gridded, and as you can see, we're starting from 8th position, which is really bad. But in this series, I just want to be fair and show you like the good episodes, like last episode, but the bad episodes as well.
Everyone's
because
gridded.
I'm just trying to improve and get better, so let's see what we can do.
Green flag, green flag. Car right. Stay on the left.
Oh shit, I heard banging
Clear.
sounds.
Car right. Still there, hold your line.
Oh no, this is going so bad.
Clear on the right.
I was way too cautious and I heard like the banging sound and I thought it was me for a second. Oh,
there's an
watch
incident
out.
ahead. Stay on the left. You're on the left. 3 wide. The lead has gone off. Clear on the right.
Okay, sometimes you can be lucky, I guess. Okay, wow, that was a start. B6. Oh my god. Whew. Oh man, that was scary. We literally have no threat from behind. which is great. Oh, and that's not great. So let's just try to stay close to this group, because you definitely don't have the pace for P6, but we were smart and stayed out of trouble. And the thing is, when they're fighting close, you always gotta be thinking ahead, and I just know they're gonna fight hard. So there's a big chance that someone spins out or they like crash into each other. So we gotta be careful here and take opportunities.
There's an incident
Yeah,
ahead.
exactly. I predicted it. I predicted it. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's the first time I actually took that corner quite well. But I'm afraid the guy behind can catch up, because we're fighting here, we're losing time. Oh! Oh! Shit!
Left
Oh!
side.
Oh!
Clear on the
No!
left.
Oh,
Car
mate!
right.
Oh,
Clear.
I'm so sorry, but he braked randomly. Oh no! What happened there? I
There's an
didn't know what
incident
happened. Oh
We got
man.
damage on the front end.
I'm sorry, mate. The damage feels bad, because you can definitely tell I have less grip out here. So that's a shame. And the guy behind me is coming. I think since I have damage and he's faster and it's still like quite early in the race, I gotta let him go if he
You're
comes
in
close.
fourth position.
But we'll just see how it goes. I think we're going to let him go here.
Right side.
Oh, that was not smart for me, sorry.
Clear.
I wanted to let him go, but I wasn't really like obvious in my signals. Sorry for that. Now we got another contact. I should have stayed on the outside, I think, and just let him go. That was really stupid for me. Oh my god, I can see them in my mirrors quite clearly. Oh, I'm happy the race is over, because otherwise I wouldn't make it. They're getting closer and closer every lap. That was chaotic. P5, actually quite happy with that.
There's the flag. It's over.
It's over.
Great job. You did really well. Left
Oh.
side.
Oh,
Clear on the
no!
left.
Oh,
Car
mate!
right.
I'm not sure. So, I think we slightly gained some iRating, or maybe lost a little bit, which makes us stay in the same class for the strength of field for the next race. So, let's see how we can do there, and let's hop into that next race. Alright guys, we are back in race number 2. As I said at the beginning of this video, our goal is just damage limitations, because yeah, this circuit, I don't know, it just doesn't really suit me, and I just want to be like honest in this series and not only show you like good races, but if I have a bad race, I'll just upload them like as well, because I just want to show you guys like my real path from zero to hero, and not only the successes. But I think we did quite well in the first race, unless like the mistakes. But I think we learned from it, and yeah, let's see what we can do in this race. Last race we qualified on P8, which was not that good. And I think that this race we have some opportunities to qualify better. The only problem is that we gained like 27 iRating. So the strength of field is gonna be a little bit more difficult, but just slightly. Of course, you gotta be a little bit lucky sometimes with your match. So let's focus here and let's see what we can do in this second race. But first, the qualifying session.
Okay, here comes your first timed lap.
Oh no, oh no, what happened? What happened? Why did the car turn? Guys, I literally don't know what happened there. What? Oh, let's go guys. I never get that last turn right, but I'm really happy with this lap. It's a new PR, and I was just so focused. Let's see what we get here. Oh, second.
Check
Come on guys,
flag.
lovely. Oh, third position actually, and maybe we even drop some positions. I really need to get that first lap right, because it's just so unnecessary to be really dependent on your second lap, because if you make like a minor mistake, then your qualifying is ruined, and so is your iRating. And yeah, let's hop into the race. Alright guys, we are currently gridded.
1,582.
Oh, as my engineers say, that's the strength of field, which is a little bit lower than the previous race, so that's good. But I have an advantage, because as you can see, there's a car in front of me, and in the Masters, the
5 cars
slipstream
left to grid.
is really overpowered. And the car that qualified second next to me doesn't have a slipstream. So if you have like a good race start, so we already gained some momentum and have the slipstream, we might be able to get on the inside in the first lap and take over second position. But you can never plan a race start, so let's just see how it goes.
Green flag, green flag. Car on your left, clear. The next car's the leader. Right side. Stay on the left. Clear.
Oh, nice overtake from him actually. We gain a little bit of breathing space. Currently in P4. Let's try to get away from this group behind because they're with a lot and I just don't want to risk it.
Left side. Keep to the right. Clear. Right side.
Ah, no.
Still
Nice
there, hold
switchback
your
from
line.
him though.
Clear on the right.
No, not gonna do it. I gotta let him go. I'm too far. Otherwise we'll crash.
Right side. Stay on the left. The car in P7 just set the fastest lap. 20.774. Still there.
Now we just both lose time and the car behind us can come close. Not ideal, not ideal. From now on, I think I gotta defend really hard because I actually already lost quite some positions and I don't want to lose more position than 5th. And let's not give those guys too much slipstream.
Still there, hold your
No!
line. Clear on the left.
Stupid idiot! Can look forward. What an idiot! Oh, we definitely have to blur that. But come on, you can see we're battling. Are you that stupid? Like, use your brain, man. Already lost 3 positions. Whew, let's just try to not lose any more. Wow, big moment there. Okay guys, I think we don't have actually the pace for this position because the guy behind is faster. But let's just
The
try
leader is
to
running
stay consistent and defend really hard when he comes
21.686.
here. And there might arise an opportunities because the guys in front are battling quite hard. Oh!
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Okay, now I hope they battle so they give us some time. This is perfect. No, I think we can keep it. I think we can keep it.
Clear on the right.
No, we're not gonna do it. We're gonna play it smart here. The car behind keeps us alive this time. He learned from his mistake. That was a shame, guys. Sorry. Definitely necessary to defend the inside here. Mate, what the hell is he doing? He tried to push me away or something. What the hell? I've never seen that before. Oh, we fought so hard for this P6. Man, I'm exhausted. Oh, please don't hit me. Oh,
There's
now we
the
got off
flag.
track.
It's a-
Oh, this is annoying.
Great job.
But I think I'm actually, quite happy with today. I think it's fine because I was really afraid I'm gonna lose some iRating. But yeah, as I said, I want to show like my bad tracks and my good tracks, like both. And I think we actually did quite well. So let's reflect on the races, look at what iRating we gained. And yeah, let's try to learn from these races. As you can see, we're here into race number 1. As you can see, we gained 25 iRating, which is okay. Not that much, but it's fine because it was damage limitations. We improved our safety rating, which is quite high now actually. And as you can see, we actually got the fastest lap. Is that because of my racecraft and since I'm such a sim racing talent? No. It's because of slipstream. I had like a double slipstream and a good lap, so yeah, that makes sense. So that doesn't say anything at all. But if you look at the average lap time, we can see a clear difference with the guys ahead. So I think it was fair that we ended up here in P5. And yeah, we were slightly faster than the guys behind. So I think overall good race. Especially since we stayed out of trouble, all those hectic moments, chaotic moments, crashes. The weird moment with the guy in front of us, which suddenly braked.
Left
Oh,
side.
oh,
Clear on the
no,
left.
oh
Car
mate.
on.
I still never clue what he was doing. But yeah, I think a really good first race. Then into the second race. I think here that we lacked the pace. Because as you can see here, like the guys behind drove like an equal pace, but they came really close. And as you can see here, the guys in front, they were faster, so I think that was fair. But the thing is, the guys in front of me and behind me at a better race pace. So in this part, the qualifying pace was crucial, because since we like set a really good qualifying lap, we could start from P3. And yeah, we could afford those losses in like positions, because now we still gained iRating, proved our safety rating, didn't lose any. So that's perfect, and that proves like how important qualifying is, because definitely like in lower iRatings where I'm currently, it's so important, because if you like ruin your qualifying, like on a narrow track, you stay out of trouble because you're not like in the midfield. And of course you just have like better leverage. So it's really important. So I really got to work on my qualifying pace, get that first lap right, and yeah, really stay focused and like get all out of it. We had this really weird moment with this driver in P8 on the straight when he bumped me.
Clear on the left.
Stupid idiot. Can look forward. What an idiot. Still didn't have a clue what happened there. And yeah, we made some small mistakes with braking too late in turn 1, which was a shame. But I think overall, yeah, quite an okay race. We still improved. Safety rating went up. And as I said at the beginning of the video, as you can see, I currently have 1633 iRating. And my goal is to get towards 2000 iRating. I think then you're at an okay, like quite okay level of iRating. And I just didn't understand how you can improve from your class, because as you can see, I'm currently in D class and others with lesser safety rating are at higher classes. And you guys explained to me that you have to drive like multiple classes and then you'll improve your rating. So my plan is to reach 2000 iRating in the Mazda MX-5 Cup, because then I'm happy and like all-rounded developed, because if you can drive a Mazda, you can basically drive anything. Then we're going to move towards the GT3 class. So really exciting. Please let me know what you think of that plan, if you want to see the GT3 after this, or maybe you have another suggestion. And after that, if we've done some things well in like the GT3, we can look for endurance races and step up our game and maybe go towards the C or even a B class. And let's just check what we can do here. So guys, I think that wraps it up. We learned a lot, had quite okay races, damage limitations. I'm happy. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And please, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because it helps me a lot to grow my channel. Like reach a bigger audience, and it motivates me a lot to make more videos, and I really appreciate your support because I read all the comments. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will definitely improve in the next video. I hope we have a circuit that fits me better, so we can maybe try to race for the win again. And I want to thank you guys for watching and see you guys into the next video. Ciao.